Hello, welcome to my channel. This is general reading for Aquarius, Sun, Moon and Rising for the month of October. If it resonates with you, please keep watching. If it doesn't, you can book a self-personal reading. The information is in the description box below. Do not forget it's a general reading. If it's not resonating, please don't try to fit in unnecessarily. Also remember, my readings are for Sun, Rising and Moon. So if you want to dive deeper into the realm of astrology and pick the most resonating messages, try to find out your moon, try to find out your rising, and then you'll be able to pick the best messages for yourself. Let me see what's up with my beautiful Aquarius Sun, Moon, Rising for the month of October. Tell me what's up with my beautiful Aquarius Sun, Moon, Rising for the month of October. Beautiful Aquarius Sun, Moon, Rising for the month of October. Tell me what's up with my beautiful Aquarius Sun, Moon and Rising for the month of October. Beautiful. Give me one more card and please tell me what's up with my beautiful Aquarius Sun, Moon and Rising for the month of October. Wow, I'm impressed, guys. So I do see that you guys have been, really dealing with a lot of, issues for a very long period of time. You guys have been really fighting your own demons. You guys have been fighting your own mental health issues. But I do see, Aquarius, that you guys by the end of October, you guys will certainly report victory to yourself. You guys will certainly report a great mental health to yourself. You guys will certainly report fulfillment to yourself. If you guys, if some of you were really aiming at celebrating some sort of victory in terms of work, that's coming. If you guys were expecting some sort of relationship to win, or if there were certain troubles going on in your family dynamic, I do see that victory happening. You guys are in that Empress energy, guys. You guys are in that energy wherein you're fulfilled, you're nurtured, you are nurturing, you're looking extremely hot to the outer world. And I think all of that is happening because you have really placed your attention, you've really focused on your emotional and mental health, and you've come out stronger, you've come out better, you've come out more beautiful. Some of you have been really working out, some of you have been really meditating, some of you have really been doing all it takes to get where you want to. And I do see victory, guys. I'm really impressed. I'm so happy for you all. I do see that a lot of you were probably going through a heartbreak, or probably going through some sort of self-image issues, or you were not confident enough. But I do see that you guys, with consistent work on yourself, you have overpowered, combat and conquered all of this, and now you are definitely just in the best damn vibe that exists. Wow. Some of you are also meeting wish fulfillments. If there was a relationship that was going on for a very long period of time, I do see that you guys have worked on the relationship enough that it can manifest into like a long-term commitment or an engagement or a marriage. So there is victory in all spheres of your life, guys. A lot of you could be making a lot of money. The project that you guys have been working on could be working on wonderfully for you all. So I do see that you guys are flourishing, you guys are booming, and the world can see it, and people are looking at you somebody who has it all. This is a brilliant vibe, guys. I also want to see what are you guys celebrating though. Please tell me why is growing now. Please tell me. One more card and please clarify for your give me one more card and please clarify for your I do see Aquarians. A lot of you were, for the longest time you had been holding on to an equation. You were a part of an equation, or you've been holding on to an equation, which was absolutely keeping you confused. And you had this urge of, you had this urge of you consistently had this urge of moving away from this equation, because you sort of felt that it's really not right for your senses, or it's really not healthy for you. I do see that a lot of you have successfully ended that equation, and a lot of you have successfully started focusing on your abundance. A lot of you have successfully started focusing on creating more wealth for yourself, creating more fulfillment for yourself. A lot of you were confused for a long period of time. No matter how unhealthy this one person or this one equation, this one partnership was for you, you were persistent on making it work. But now you're persistent, not just persistent, you guys have successfully removed it out of your life. You guys were committed to removing it out of your life, and you successfully have, and that could be the reason why y'all are really, looking happy and looking fulfilled. Tell me why the Empress here. Please clarify the Empress for me. Why the Empress? Oh my God, please clarify the Empress. Oh my God, please. Please clarify. Please clarify the Empress. Yes, Aquarius, I do see that, for a very long period of time, you guys were definitely stuck in a partnership. It could be work partnership, or it could be, like some person that you guys were involved with, and this person was literally dimming your light in some way. For the longest time, this person was probably keeping you confused or in a loop, or, this person was definitely not healthy for you. And you decided to show your back on this person. You decided to just like move, no matter how stuck you felt. For some of you, I'm getting that vibe that no matter how difficult it was for you, you just pulled yourself out of that phase. Like, you just took like a second to cut this off, and you knew that it's going to be painful. So instead of making it a process, you just made it like the work. You just made it possible within a second. Like, you cut it off, and you stood and you told yourself that yes, it's going to be painful, yes, it's going to be hurtful, but I'm going to bear it because I deserve to be in a better state of mind. So for a lot of you, I'm seeing that happening, that you did it all by hook or by crook. You came out of that place because you realized that it's not healthy for you. You realize that you'd rather be single than be involved with somebody who's not healthy for you. So I do see that a lot of you are giving that Queen of Cups, Empress vibes, because you stood for yourself, you stood for your happiness, and you're doing what it takes. You've been doing whatever it takes to really be abundant, to really be happy, and that vibe is something that you're exhibiting, and it's showing. Beautiful, guys. I'm really, really impressed. If this reading is resonating with you all, please hit the subscribe button, and I will dive deep into the emotions of the person that you guys are dealing with. If this reading is resonating with you guys, please hit the subscribe button. Please dive deep into the emotion of the person my Aquarius and Moon rising are dealing with. Please dive deep into the emotion of the person my Aquarius and Moon rising are dealing with. Please dive deep into the emotion of the person. Could be dealing with a water sign, could be a Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio, could be dealing with another Aquarius. There's a very prominent Cancer energy over here. Could be dealing with a Gemini. Could be dealing with an Earth sign, could be any sign as far as elements go, guys. I do see Aquarius, the person that you guys were dealing with has sort of realized that they are wounded and that they need healing. The star card is in reverse. So I do see that, you know, the person that you guys are dealing with is sort of just hanging in there. This person has sort of taken a break, taken a halt in life because they do realize that they've been fucking up and how. Um, so I do see that, you know, this person is still stuck in places of past, but there's no movement in their life because they certainly realize that their actions have been really like all over the place. I want to clarify why is the star in reverse. Can you please clarify the star in reverse? Please clarify the star in reverse. Oh God. Please clarify the star in reverse. Yes, Aquarius, I do see the person that you guys were dealing with has sort of, has sort of realized or probably, has understood their own toxicity. They have realized that, all this while they were just probably playing mental games. And now that they've realized it, they know where they are wrong, but they don't know what to do about it. So that keeps them stuck. I don't see any movement in this person's life. This person feels absolutely directionless at this point in time. This person feels mentally lost. This person feels absolutely mentally lost. This person has certainly realized that, for all this while they were tricking people, they were lying to people, they were hiding so many things, and they were probably involved with like a lot of people, and that's why you realized that they're not healthy for you and you moved on. Some of you confronted them, some of you were very ruthless to them while walking off. So I do see that, all of these things have got this person to a certain realization, and they feel lost at this point in time. I want to clarify why the chariot here. Let's clarify why the chariot here. One more card and please clarify the chariot for me. I don't know why I just heard out of league. Aquarius, your person really feels that you are out of their league. This person, if in case this person has walked off on you, this person has somewhere or other realized that, you are way too abundant for them, you're way too nurtured for them, you're way too fulfilled. So basically this person in themselves realize that, you and them are not a match in terms of them realizing that you're way better in every aspect, emotionally, physically, mentally, financially, culturally, morals wise, value system. So this person just got an awakening, this person just got a realization, and this person sort of realized that you're out of their league. For some of you, I'm also getting a message that, this person has hit certain realizations that if they want to settle down, if they want to be a part of a conventional relationship, then they have to be in a certain way, and they are not. They do not carry those qualities. So for some of you, this person could really be wanting to settle down. This person could really be wanting to, become a better version of themselves so that they can find somebody, and because of which, they are realizing and they are working on their emotional self. I do see that happening. For others of you, your person could be really sidelining all of the emotions and could be focusing on their money, could be focusing on their abundance, and could be really feeling anxious as well. So there are all sorts of possibilities. One is that this person is realizing their toxicity and this person is working on it, and this person is at the same time feeling lost. For some of you, I'm getting this message, this person could be feeling that you're out of their league, and that that who they are and what they are will not be acceptable in your realm. I do see that. And for others of you, I see that this person is absolutely focused on their money. This person is absolutely focused on, building abundance and money for themselves. If this reading is resonating with you guys, please hit the subscribe button and I will find out the outcome for you and your person for the month of October. Please give me the outcome for Aquarius and their person for the month of October. Please give me the outcome for Aquarius and Moon Rising and their person. Please give me the outcome for Aquarius and Moon Rising and their person. Aquarius, I do see for the month of October, some of you or your person, it could be either way, could be feeling left out and cold, could be feeling defensive, could be realizing that there are certain mental health issues that they need to address. For some of you, I do see a new person walking in, guys. I do see a new offer coming in. Yes. So Aquarius, I do see that, a lot of you are realizing that the person that you guys were dealing with, the equation with them was so disharmonious that there was no freaking way that you could settle down with them or, build with them. You have realized, so, you're walking off and, you realize that this person plays like a lot of games and this person is not very mentally healthy and emotionally healthy for you. So I do see that you guys are walking off from this person because you feel that this person is immature, and at the same time I do see that, a new connection is entering, guys. I do see that one cycle is ending, there is change coming. The person that you guys were dealing with, you will not deal with this person anymore because you realize that this person is not meant for you, is not for you. So I do see that you are leaving that behind, and I definitely see that there is some new there is some new person coming in, somebody who's vibing at the same spiritual level as you, and I do see that this could turn into a potential long-term relationship provided both of you work enough.